Hey everybody, welcome back. John Consoli, VP of Sales for Legrand's Cabinet and Containment Business Unit. Joining me for this segment is our Farmingdale Plant Manager, Mr. Jicky Kong. Jicky, thanks for taking time out of your busy day to talk to us and to the folks. So we've got a YouTube audience there who's interested in some of the things we have going on here in your Farmingdale facility. So a little background for you guys. Jicky, like myself, a former United States Marine. Hoorah, thanks for your service. And also a Six Sigma black belt. So Jicky, I think I'd like to start off by, if you could explain to the folks a little bit about your role here at the Farmingdale plant and what it looks like day to day to be you as a part of what we do.
All right. Well, so my role here as plant manager really is overseeing, from the tactical level, meeting customer requirements across all of the needs, right? So how to best align based upon all the various requirements for the highly custom world that we live in. How do we best utilize our resources within all the various departments like engineering, procurement, and planning, and even within production to kind of best meet the customer requirements, right? So I own the plant, both short-term and long-term tactical things,
Sure.
Such as capital investments, what we should invest in, how we should structure the plant to best meet the market going forward, right? So
Great.
So overall, everything within these four walls.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's great. Good stuff. So we're walking around the plant earlier and saw you got some new toys in the back.
Yeah.
Right? A lot of things moving around, some new cap investment.
Yeah.
We saw your new fiber laser back there and a couple of new robots. Can you talk a little bit, let's say that fiber laser in particular, I hear good things about it, but I'm a sales guy. So what does that bring to us, and how does the capabilities of that piece of equipment translate to us serving our customers better?
Yeah, so the fiber labor investment was a substantial one we made this year, and obviously it's really geared towards managing the transition that we have as a business, right? As we get more and more into as the market experiences different mix and different type of product lines, we used to traditionally rely on our CNC punch machines more, right? But when it comes to CNC punches, you're more restricted to the tooling you have in the machine. So as a result, you're not able to run unmanned, or what we call lights out as
Right.
often. With the new fiber laser with the 10-tier loader, we're able to put various material in there, and because you don't need to change tools, you can run much more effectively when it comes to being unmanned. So we can run
Okay.
at night, we can run on the weekends.
Right.
As long as there's electricity to the building and we have enough gas in the machine,
Right.
we could run nonstop.
That's great. So we're talking about actually by that capital investment, what I'm hearing you say is more efficient, a lot more, adding capacity,
Oh, absolutely.
right?
Yeah.
Which is great.
Yep.
So shorter lead times for our customers, more flexibility. And when we engage with customers, the feedback that I get that we're really, we take the thanks for it, but it really, I think, rolls to you and your team, is our capacity or our capability to do build to order, configure to order in a more customer-friendly fashion.
Right.
Than some of our competitors. So what is it that you guys do? What's that voodoo that you do back there that enables us to be so good at that?
Well, the key here is to be very flexible, right? Flexible enough where we can make certain assumptions using good data and historical information and trust our processes, that we don't have to, 90% of the time, a new cabinet configuration or a new product is rolled out, we don't prototype, right? But we have enough faith in our process that from a operational standpoint, I have a certain degree of confidence, even though I've never made it before, we'll hit the mark in terms of how long it's going to take us. We'll produce quality products.
Right.
And we'll get it to the customer on time, as promised, and make our customers happy, right?
That's great. That's great. And thanks for that. It makes my job a little bit easier, which is what your life is all about. So no, our customers, I know, appreciate that. So we talked about efficiency and cost savings and labor savings and things that might sound, at least they sound to me like, well, they're cutting some corners. But what I found is that, and you guys really are all about something that is very important to our customers, and that's safety, right? So can you talk about safety policy and procedure here in your plant and how, at least what's been communicated to me by yourself and by the team is that, yeah, we need to be fast, we need to hit dates, but nothing is more important than safety, literally safety first, right?
Yeah. I like to start every meeting. In fact, we should have started this conversation talking about safety, right?
Right.
By the way, emergency exits right behind us. I mean, we safety first. I see safety glasses on, so
Right.
I feel good about it. But safety truly in this year especially was my two biggest priorities this year was safety and quality, right? It does no one any good if we're not working safe and we're producing products that don't meet customer expectation. So from a safety perspective, we've done some things really well this year. We were able to reduce our lost time by, I believe, we were 10% of what we had last year.
Wow.
And in terms of OSHA recordable incidents, we've removed almost 100% of the incidents.
Wow.
Yeah, year to date, we've broken every record in terms of safety this year, and we really put a lot of emphasis on it, more so than anything else, right? So our corrective actions, implementation of standards, and really making sure that we get the feedback from our employees to understand what they see out there on the floor every day and what they feel like is adding to some risk and some hazards. I personally meet with them once a month to discuss these things and to task my staff with going out there, reducing the risk, understanding what the risks are and reducing the risk, and doing a good job at kind of preventing issues before something happened, right? Rather than reacting to it. So, done a lot of things, and it seems to be working so far.
Well, it's working so far, and one of the things I like best is that you also started a policy where when the team exceeds the number of days without an incident, then we have pizza.
Yeah.
And as a guy who loves pizza,
Yep.
I really appreciate that.
Yeah.
But no, all kidding aside, what's gone, I've been around this facility now for 20 some years, right? And it's never looked better, it's never worked more efficiently. And what's really impressed me, since you've come on board and taken over is that, lead times are better than they've ever been. Our quality is better, fewer incidents. We're under a lot of price pressure because of a competitive market and also some tariff things that we've had to deal with, as everybody has in our industry or in the country over the past few years. So, everything that has been accomplished in this building and in your organization under some pretty demanding circumstances is just, tip of the cap to you for what you do. So wanted to get you on this because when sales are good, everybody looks at the sales leader and says, great job. But, for you folks out there and for Jicky, just want to say there's no way that we could do what we do without you guys doing what you do. So thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Semper Fi, Marine.
Hoorah.
Thanks, gang. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button. We'll be meeting more people here at the LeGrand plant. We want to have you become familiar with things that we're doing here to transform our business, and also have you put faces or be able to recognize the faces that are sometimes behind the scenes here at LeGrand Cabinets and Containment. Thanks so much. See you next time.